I'm Peter Kalmstrom of kalmstrom.com Business Solutions. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to install the PDF creator for SharePoint, the SPFX edition in SharePoint Online. So I've downloaded the SPPKG file from the kalmstrom.com website. Then I need to go in SharePoint Online, of course, find the admin center. If you don't have that, then you need to ask somebody else that has that permission, because you do need to have the SharePoint admin right to do this. Then you go to SharePoint, the admin center, and under SharePoint admin center, you find the more features, and there you have apps. Then finally, you will go to the manage apps library here, and then you upload your file, and just like that. And when you do that, then you'll have two things to consider. First of all, are you going to deploy this to all sites or just enable it in the catalog so that it can be added later to each and every site? The second thing that you need to consider is the permissions, getting the files read write all and the sites read write all here. And that's for converting documents into PDF files. I wish I could give myself lower permissions for the app to still work, but that's what's needed. And this is only given to this application once deployed in your organization. So the security implications are, of course, rather big, but it can only be used from within this application. So it should be maintainable and reasonable. Enable this app and put it on all sites just to make it simple for this demonstration. And then you have the approve this app. That's the second step that you need to do. You need to go to the API access. So I open that link here, and now I should get the request. And I don't have a pending request, so I've already approved this in my preview demo. But you can just see this request here and approve it. That's the steps that you need to make there. Now you go back to your site just to check that it is working indeed. So select the file here, and here is the PDF. So here you see I'm selecting an Excel file, creating PDF from that, and now it's creating a PDF from that document. And now you have the option to download it or save it to a library. If you had many libraries in the site, you would have a selector there also. That concludes my demo. Thank you for watching.